the Swiss Alps, a single timepiece is born. 734 components, 18 months of human craftsmanship. This is not a watch. This is mechanical art, created one time for one collector. Welcome inside the factory. Every masterpiece begins with raw materials sourced from across the globe. 18-karat white gold from Swiss refineries. Synthetic sapphire crystals grown at 2000 degrees Celsius. Ruby bearings harder than steel. Louisiana alligator leather. African blackwood, aged 40 years. Each material chosen for a single purpose, perfection. CNC mills carve titanium within 5,000ths of a millimeter. A single case requires 14 hours of continuous machining. Geneva stripes are hand engraved for 6 hours per plate. The tourbillon gauge weighs 0.3 grams and contains 72 components. Precision measured in microns. What machines cannot do, human hands complete. Enamel dials fired at 820 degrees. Minute repeater gongs, tuned to perfect C notes. Guilloche patterns carved with rose engine lathes, unchanged since 1700. Watch hands heat treated until they glow Prussian blue.
Mainspring housing lowered
the gear
into
train,
plate, click spring installed,
centre
barrel
wheel,
arbor inserted,
third wheel, fourth wheel, escape wheel. Each gear measures with 0.002 of a millimetre backlash. The escapement beats 28,000 times per hour. 47 ruby jewels reduce friction by 85%. The movement begins to breathe. Now the complications. A perpetual calendar accurate for 122 years. Moon phase display requiring no correction until 2135. Minute repeater chiming hours, quarters and minutes on demand. Chronograph measuring tenths of seconds. 7 complications interlocked in mechanical harmony. This is what separates a timepiece from a masterpiece. Through the sapphire exhibition case back, the movement reveals itself. The tourbillon rotates once per minute, defying gravity. The balance oscillates 8 times every second. Gold micro rotor winds the mainspring with every wrist movement. 55 hours of power reserve stored in a coiled spring, thinner than human hair. Testing begins. Timing machines measure accuracy, plus 1.5 seconds per day, within chronometer standards. 5 positions tested. Dial up, dial down, ground left, ground right, ground up. Temperature cycles from -10 to +60 Celsius. Vacuum chambers, pressure tanks, simulating 300 meters depth. Every watch must survive what no wrist will ever demand.
A positional accuracy test. The watch is placed in 5 positions. Dial up.
Endurance testing continues. 5,000 G-force shocks. 15,000 Gauss magnetic fields. Crown operated 500 cycles. Pushers activated 1,000 times. 30 days simulated wear. The minute repeater chimes in an anechoic chamber. Pure cathedral tones at 78 decibels. Only perfection passes.
UV aging tests. Watch exposed to concentrated UV light. Movement decoration inspection, Geneva seal criteria verified, Côte de Genève, beveled edges, polished.
Here we verify the laser engraved serial number, unique 001 of 001. The Q.
The timepiece enters its final home. Handcrafted ebony wood, inlaid with mother of pearl. Burgundy Swiss calf leather lining, stitched with 24-karat gold thread. Italian silk velvet cushion, carved to exact case dimensions. The watch settles into its cradle. But this is only the beginning of the unboxing experience. 8 collector's items accompany the timepiece. Himalayan glacier leather elixir in hand-blown crystal. A jeweler's loupe carved from sapphire.
Sable hairbrush.
Winding key with mammoth ivory handle. 40,000 years old.
Holder.
Vicuña wool travel pouch. The world's finest fibre. Certificate on 400-year-old Dutch paper, sealed with gold leaf wax. Warranty passport bound in goat skin. A 200-page book documenting every component. Even a sommelier card bearing Swiss wines with the ownership experience. Absurd, perhaps. Unforgettable, absolutely. ridiculous. One timepiece, 18 months, 734 components, one of one. The factory floor